Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some papier mache boxes. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make a box like this, and I'm going to demonstrate with a smaller box like this. So I'm going to use a box. I'm going to use some school glue. I need scissors and some corrugated cardboard, Mod Podge, and some tape and eraser knife, and a brush, and some paper towels. And I want this box to just open like that. So that means the lid needs to be just a little bit longer than the bottom, right here. So I'm going to open my box on 3 sides like that. And I'm just going to tape these sides so that they stay together. I'm just going to go all around the box with some tape. This is just masking tape. It can be any kind of tape because you're not going to see this when it's finished. Okay, like that. So now I'll need to cut a piece of cardboard that is larger than the top. And I already went ahead and did that. I just cut this to be a little bit larger than the lid of my box. And then I cut a smaller piece and a smaller piece, and I glued these together with my glue. And now I'm going to glue it to the top of my box. So I've already applied some glue and taped that on my top. So now you can see it's just that little bit larger than the bottom. When you open it and close it, it will just sit on top of the box. And I've cut squares and I glued 2 together to get some height. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue these on the corners for legs. Like that. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it with my paper towel. I have some Elmer's glue, and I have diluted this with water. Mix a bit of water into the glue. And I have my paper towel, so I'm just going to tear it in manageable pieces here. And I'm going to start by brushing the box with the glue. And then I'll place a piece of my paper down. And I want it to be wrinkly, so I'm going to move it around so that it is. So I'm going to paint the inside first. Okay, so my box is all dry now. I'm just going to add some zigzags. I'm going to paint the inside. And now I'll paint the outside. And I'm going to add some black dots all the way around with the handle of my brush. I'm going to darken this with black. And I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then I'm going to cover it with Mod Podge. Okay, now that it's totally dry, I'm going to give it a coating of Mod Podge. And now I'll show you how to make this one. Mix white glue and water. You can use any size box for this project. Cut a smaller piece for the top of the box. Then glue it onto the top. Apply glue all around the edges of the cardboard. Place beans into the glue. Let it dry. Make any design that you like. Crumple some aluminum foil and then smooth it out. Brush glue onto the box. Spread the aluminum foil over the glue. Smooth the aluminum foil all over the bumps. Paint black acrylic paint over the foil. Wipe off the paint with a paper towel. Cover the entire box with crumpled foil. Paint the inside of the box. Allow it to dry and then paint a coat of Mod Podge over the entire box. So there you go. These two are made exactly the same way, with the layers of cardboard on the top and a lid that opens and closes on its own. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in seeing how I made this candle holder on a bottle, please post in a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.